Okay, this is your flosser. I'm going to turn it on and we'll see how long it stays on before it cuts out. Turning it on. It's usually at about 5 minutes. And when I'm using it, it's not my finger that turns it off, like somebody suggested. It was fully charged, like it always is. Okay, we're at 4 minutes, 27 seconds. 5 minutes and 8 seconds it shut off. And you can see my fingers not on the power button. And I can start it again. And it'll go for a while and then it'll shut off again. Alright. I'm gonna stop it now, but that should show you what I've been putting in my emails to you.
Y'all, I am obsessed with my Go Floss electric flosser. So I was scared. Electric, it has 3 different things, like at 3 different speeds. I use it on low, so it lights up. That's speed 1. That's what I use it on, but tomorrow I'll probably use it on speed 2. That's speed 2. See, there's a second bubble. Speed 3. Interchangeable heads. This is the dirty one. I'm about to try to get it off. Let's see. It's got a little quick start guide. It's got all the stuff. So my teeth literally feel like dentist clean. Excuse the towel. It's self-care Saturday, so I just had an everything shower, did some flossing, and this thing is awesome. I'm gonna tag Go Floss so you guys can see their page, but you can also order on Amazon. I'm about to also go do my Amazon review. I just can't say enough about it. Like, it's sleek, it works great, it comes with a little charger, and I'm also gonna add pictures. This is the charger, lights up when it's charging. It has a travel mode, 3 speeds, interchangeable heads. When you order, you get the 45 heads. So of course, after each time, you just pop it off. I just love it. Packaging is so cute. Great customer service. You got to get you one. Get those teeth clean. Their motto, I love this. I just noticed this. Their motto says, "We get 1 set of teeth and 1 planet. It's time to look after both."
Just got my FLAUS order in. I'm excited. Love this packaging. Wow. Put it right up. Step 1, pop on, pop out. Oh, look. Looks like it's already got one on there. Packaging. And I think you just press this button. Oh, wow. I can barely hear it, but it's going. It's vibrating. It looks like it's already got power. Ooh, it's glowing. And I'll try it. Oh, there you go. Super easy. Can I get it back? Wow, love it. Super easy. Big fan of this. Gonna definitely use this more. Oh, high power. I didn't even realize that. Oh wow, there's 3 powers. There we go. Nice.
So I got this FLAUS electric flosser from Amazon, and I don't know how many of you have had the same problem, but I, out of the box, was able to use it, and then I put it on the charger all night, and this morning it would not turn on no matter what I did. And put it back on the power, put it on a different plug, did multiple things. It kept on not turning on, and these 3 lights down here would just blink at me. And then I randomly thought, well, what if I turned it on while it's in the charger? And I turned it on while it was in the charger, and it finally started working again. But overall, not super happy with it. And this glide floss right here would not scrub my teeth. Not nearly as well as like a woven floss, a thicker floss. I have some crowns, and I just do not feel like this gets my teeth very clean, even with the vibrations. So probably gonna return it.
Did you know that only 1/3 of Americans floss their teeth? As a foodie, I make it a top priority to take care of my dental health. Nothing is worse than having food in your teeth, especially on the go. Do yourself a favor and throw away your flimsy floss, because Floss is here to save your teeth. It's the first electric flosser. It's rechargeable, compact, and user-friendly. Bring it with you anywhere. Better dental health means less dental visits, which is a major win.
Beautiful. Oh my. Perfect.